Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, Perfect Analyst. Today, we are going to learn step by step procedure to install Power BI. In my previous session, I have told about what is Power BI and why it is important today for any data analyst to learn Power BI. What are the components of Power BI? So, if anyone has not seen that video, I'll request you to check my description and you can I have given the link there. You can see the video. So today's session mostly on Power BI installation. So you can just type Power BI in Google search and you can able to find the link, the second link, Microsoft Power BI data visualization. You can click over here, and once you will see the product here, you can able to see there is a option called Power BI desktop. So we need to click here. Once you click, it will show you two options. One is download free, another is see download or language option. So in both the method we can download Power BI or install Power BI. So I am going to see the first method. So once you click here, you can able to see one pop-up window come and it will ask you to open Microsoft Store. You can open here and there is a option called get. So you can click here. So now starting download. So you can wait for some time. Meanwhile, I will just check the other method how we can do. So in the other method, you can click here see download or language option. Once you click here, you can able to see the page. Here you will see there is a download option. You can select any language. So I'm selecting English here, and some information about Power BI like the details, system requirements or install instruction is given here. You can check before you download just to make sure that your system requirement is matching so that it will be easy to install. So once you click here download, it will show you two options. So you can select any one based on your system requirements. So once you download this executive, this file will download and you can able to install the Power BI, and it is very easy process. Just you have to select next and next and it will be installed. So let me check the first method whether it is downloaded. Yes. So my Power BI desktop is downloaded now. Now I can open here, and once you click the open button, it will open, or you can also open by searching here Power BI. Here it will show the app Power BI desktop app. You can click here and you can able to open the Power BI desktop. So you can check either of this method you can follow and you can install the Power BI. So if you have any queries, you can give in the comments, in the comment box, and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for joining this session and seeing the video. Thank you.